everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean with me for you all. There is lots of motivation. We have decluttering, we have letting go of sentimental items, I will be cleaning, I will be taking back my space. So often our clutter just takes up different spaces in our home, and today I am taking back some of those spaces so that I can live with a little more peace in my life and in my home. I hope you guys will join me today. Go ahead, get your cleaning caddy, let's get motivated and let's get to work. First things first, my husband is just taking every single thing down from the closet so that we can go ahead and have a nice clean slate up here. Here's what we're working with. We have this bin up here. This bin is full of sweaters, like overflowing. And then this one is all bedding things, and most of these are old beddings that are either like from college, so they don't even fit a bed that we have anymore, or they're queen and we can actually get rid of most of it because we're about to upgrade to a king mattress in a couple months. In here is a lot of high school memorabilia, shows that we've been in, old books, programs from old shows that we've done. And then down here, this one is actually empty. That empty one will actually be a bin that we can put extra stuff in, and we have a lot of stuff from our wedding that we have not put away yet. This is our laundry room and it is super hectic. All of these boxes are boxes from things from our wedding, and literally this is just what it's compiled to, and we haven't put it away. And as you can tell up here, we have literally no space to put anything up there, so that's why it's been sitting here, and I really need my laundry room back. So we will be putting all of this wedding stuff, any extra stuff, in that empty bin. We completely forgot we had that empty bin, but let me just say I'm so glad we have it. I'm honestly just gonna start going through my memorabilia box. I feel like that's gonna be one of the hardest things for me to do. So let me do that. I will give you a time lapse of that right now. Although I'm starting with the hardest bin, I actually am doing a very small project, and the first thing I decided to do was to go through old cards that I had, and then I'm following that up with planners. If you want really awesome decluttering tips, especially for your sentimental items, definitely go and check out the video I posted on my channel previously. It is the decluttering sentimental items. I'll even link that in the eye for you and down in the description. And one more tip I wanted to share with you all is to definitely ask for help when you're taking on projects like this. It's easy for us to get overwhelmed, and I always recommend asking someone who you are super close with, who knows where your personal values lie. They'll be able to help you make less biased decisions on what items to keep and reuse or repurpose, and then what items to donate and let go of. I have my husband here, and you'll see him pop up in the video really shortly here, but he helped me to clutter through some of my planners, and I can't tell you how much of a weight that took off my shoulders.
Was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time.
Found it. My diploma. Oh, I can't. I found my diploma.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention.
Alright, so first box is done. It was like my memorabilia box, like high school stuff, old theater shows for both me and Chance, old cards and notes and stuff. This pile right here are all the things that we're getting rid of. Most of it's just like envelopes or, you know, pretty empty stuff, or old shirts, old planners. And then this is the box so far. It still has some room to grow. Like we could put stuff here, and there's plenty of space here before we reach the top. But I think we might just leave it at this because we still do shows. We might come across more things that need to fill this box. So that's the plan now. And then this stack of t-shirts right here is actually t-shirts for hopefully what will be a t-shirt quilt, and so then that'll also get rid of that stack, so then we'll have even more space. So this is good, room to grow. And next up though is we need to tackle this box. This is our sweaters, scarves, things like that. I think I even have like prom dresses in here. Y'all, I have not been in a prom in a long time, so I don't think I need those anymore. I think I'll just keep ones that can be doubled as like a formal dress, or like like things that I can wear if I ever have like a formal show to go perform or see or whatever. So we're gonna work on this one now. I hope I'm not the only one, but sometimes I forget to drink my coffee when I'm doing big projects like this. So I just wanted to remind you all, drink your coffee before it gets cold, or add some ice and turn it into iced coffee, and then get back to work. I know that for me, sometimes I just need little things like that to keep me motivated. And here you'll see my husband brought me lunch, and I just needed some fuel to keep me going.
Be moving on solo. Wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Alright, and I went through all of our sweaters, and to be honest, I only got rid of one dress, one sweater, but that's okay because we do wear all of these things. It just doesn't get cold here often, but when we do travel to colder places, we use all this stuff. This is literally everything that goes in our suitcase pretty much. But let me flip you guys around and show you. I think I'm going to switch them to a bigger bin and then save the smaller bin for wedding stuff. So these are all of the sweaters, and yeah, that was my adorable cats in the background. They're so cute. This was the small bin that had all the sweaters in them, and I think I want to put them in this bin, which is much larger, harder to get on camera, but size comparison. So let's start filling this up with sweaters, and then let me go get those wedding boxes.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by.
Here is what the sweater bin looks like. There's still some room up top here. Basically, I put our really heavy coats down at the bottom, then I put some formal dresses, and then I went for the sweaters. I kept crew necks on top because I figured if we ever wanted to pull something out of here, these would be the first things I pulled, and then after that would probably be formal dresses, which are right there. So I just figured this was the easiest. So this bin is done, this bin over here is done, and then that will be our wedding box. So let me go get those. What's in the wedding boxes, you may ask? Good question. I have no idea. Honestly, I feel like these wedding boxes were half like, here's the wedding stuff, and then like Valentine's Day decor that I took down, but like was way too lazy to climb to the top of the laundry room closet to put away, so here it is.
I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be doing my drink at this pace.
I found $1. You needed a sign from the universe to get up and start cleaning. This is it, and this is your sign. Y'all, this is our kitchen scissors. We've been looking for these for a very long time. We have found them. I'm actually going to put these labels on the outside of the bin, just so when they're up on the top of the closet, we know exactly what is in them.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
So our trash pile. This is our donate pile. I was going through like the bed and getting rid of the trash, going through what was supposed to go in a donate pile, and then I slowly made my way to the other side of the bed and I found this. All these boxes, this is some bedding that needs to get gone through. Chance's Xbox box, a TV, like TV feet for the big TV in the living room. This is for the old TV that used to be in the living room. Actually goes to this TV here. That can probably go in the top of the closet, and then this is the TV mount down there in that box. So I need to go through all of this. And then I also had these purses. I don't have many nice purses, but when I was younger, I used to really like investing in those. All right, let's declutter. Literally a pillowcase from college. A little life hack for you all. I didn't even remember that I did this. Literally, Chance and I just keep doing really smart things and then forgetting about them. But this is the pillowcase of this set, and basically it has all the other parts of the sheet set in there. So if we're ever going to decorate our bedding for Christmas again, or we pull this out for guests, it's all in one. These are donate. And just like that, we are all done. Thank you all so much for joining me. Make sure you subscribe and go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. I'll see you all next week. Bye!